Well, I am just going over my skincare products, and surprisingly, I can tell you that the ratio of my skincare products to my overall skincare products is such that my Korean skincare products now comprise about 30 to 40% of all of my skincare products. And there's a reason why I'm slowly switching to Korean skincare. I am 63 years old, and I tell you, I've been there, I've done that. I've seen how some products really work for my skin, whether slowly or quickly. And I've seen how some products are actually very expensive, and still there are cheaper, more affordable products that are just as effective. And that's what I'm sharing with you today. Why, at 63, I have decided to switch to Korean skincare products. Stay with me. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. If this is your first time, my name is Jackie D, and my goal is to help you find your better version, your brighter, more confident, more vibrant version, regardless of age. I've always been called a firecracker, and I think I see why every time I do my episodes, I'm like, calm down, calm down. But no, I can never calm down because I'm always so excited to share with you things that work for me. And not only do I feel so excited to share with you about skincare products that I use, it's also because they worked for me. And I only want to share things that I have experienced or things that I know have been experienced, but otherwise they're mostly based on my story. And for me, that's my biggest source of confidence as a content creator. And before I talk about all my skincare products, I just want to remind you that castor oil really works. Skincare. Korean skincare is our topic today. So here we go. And I'm going to tell you why I have switched to Korean skincare. There's also a product here that I've been using for over a year now. This is my toner. It's Innisfree Youth Enhancing Black Tea Toner. I love this one. A toner is a very good base for whatever it is you'll put on your face. I've been looking at all the products that I have of skincare, Korean skincare, and there is one notable thing that you will discover or that you will realize when you're looking at skincare. Korean products are all about hydration. Hydration. Why do you think all these Korean ladies have so much good skin, right? Like, why? Hydration. So whether it's a mask or it's a cream, it's a toner, they always make sure that they have the quality of hydrating the skin right there. So see, I'm just going over this one because as we age, our skin loses hydration. Exactly why we need to make sure that our products hydrate our skin. I have a lot of masks actually here, and I'm just going to put them aside here while I talk about the rest of the benefits of skincare that's made in Korea. K-Beauty uses lightweight layers that keep skin healthy and balanced. See, you'll notice, like for example, this one, my cream that acts as a moisturizer. When you apply it on the skin, it's very light. It's not thick, and still it's very hydrating. I have other moisturizers that will feel heavy. They're effective. Like I like my Vichy. I like my Elizabeth Grant. Vichy is made in France. Elizabeth Grant is made in Canada. But they're like the same. They're effective. But when you apply Korean skincare, they're very light. They're very light on your skin. And that makes a whole lot of difference, especially when it comes to comfort in going to sleep. And that's why it works for me, because after my moisturizer, I still put castor oil and jojoba oil. So at least my skin is not so thickly populated with all of these whatever creams. And then I slap the castor oil on there. So there's a little bit of a leverage there, a little bit of an allowance there for more oil to put on my face. Next, you like this. Anti-aging. Anti-aging without the harsh chemicals. It's almost like when you're using Korean skincare, everything is like sourced from the earth. I feel like you're getting the sap from the moisture of a leaf, or getting nutrients from fresh spring, or smelling a freshly cut cucumber or aloe vera. You're very close to nature, I would say. You're very close to it's almost like when you're eating, you have to eat whole food so it's healthy. Same with skincare. You're almost like putting the whole food, whole vegetable on your face. Think of rice extract, right? Think of ginseng. Think of aloe vera, of tea, of, well, this is not Korean, but this is turmeric. Turmeric root is very good for the skin. Think natural. My late grandmother-in-law would always have petals of jasmine embedded in her powder, in her creams, in her perfume. And I don't know why I never did that. Maybe I should try doing that. Like rose petals, but jasmine is really, really good. So, what am I actually using for my skin right now? This one, as I mentioned, I've been using this since, I think, late 2023. A toner. It really feels so refreshing and it smells so citrusy. Oh my gosh, it's like a juice drink, like lemon lime kind of thing. That's my toner. And then this is my cream that acts as my moisturizer. This is Farm Stay Aloe, made in Korea. They're all made in Korea. I use this as well, Collagen Plus. This is a set. One acts as a serum and one acts as a cream moisturizer. The small ones here are like travel packs, but I'm using them. So this is the one that says, this is the one that acts as a serum. So it's like, it's almost like aloe, like gel kind of thing. Gel kind of composition that you put first. After toner, I put this one. And then this one serves as my, like a moisturizer cream. There you go. So I'm using the small one, so I don't want to really open this one for now. This one is cream. It's like, it's white. It's almost like Pond's cold cream, like this aloe that I use. So I'm just going to show you this one. This one has a tint of green because, of course, of the aloe. And then after that, I put my castor oil and jojoba oil, which are made in Canada. And then these are my masks. So I'm going to show you. I have a lot of Korean masks because I love them. When I put mask, it's like my me time. It's my pamper me time, right? I would put a mask once a week, at least once a week. If I'm so busy, it's every other week. But see, you only keep it there for about 15 minutes. So, but do it at night. So it's an extra time instead of you putting all your castor oil and moisturizer and then going to sleep. You spend a little bit more time to just let the mask there. Or if you're watching TV after dinner or after lunch or whatever time of day, if you're watching TV, if you're going on your phone, then put that mask on there, right? So these are my masks. I love these little ones, which I buy from our Korean store. So I would say that the best way for you to know that you are getting Korean stuff is go to your Asian store, your nearest Asian store. So these are all made in Korea. Lemon, this vitamin C, this one's honey, this one is rice. Oh, I should show you my rice water, but maybe later, maybe in another video. But see, I love Korean products. And then this one, this is my second one already. It's a lot of masks inside. So you just buy this entire thing. And this is made in Korea. There you go. Okay, so these are my masks. So far you've seen, I have a toner, I have a moisturizer, I have my serum, like practically my entire skincare. The only thing that's added on there that's not Korean are my castor oil, jojoba oil, my sunscreen, which I'm going to change already to also Korean once my LTMD is gone. Oh, and my papaya, which is homemade, or I use the one in the bottle, which is papaya oil, seed oil. for my hyperpigmentation, which is improving. I tell you, it's my castor oil that really helped improve it. And of course, vitamin C. I put vitamin C at night because I don't want to put it in the morning, and then I have to put my sunblock. So I don't want to put them all together, right? So I have to split them. But yes, well, I hope you're liking this episode where I have actually discovered myself while I was talking to you that practically 90% of what I use on my face is Korean. And I love it. Very light. I would say personally, very light on the skin. It's almost like you have nothing on your skin. And by the way, before I end this even, I always really suggest using silk pillowcase because silk is very good for the skin and hair. I've been using silk pillowcase for over a year now, and I tell you, actually since 2023, so more than 2 years now, it's really good. It's really, really good for the skin. Invest in silk pillowcase. Mine is oh my gosh, what's Blissy. Blissy. I have 4 Blissy pillowcases. You don't need 4. You can just have 2 so that when it's time to change your pillowcase, you have a backup, right? And I gave my daughters Blissy pillowcases too because I want them to keep their skin nice, right? Well, my daughters are very conscious about their skin. So, well, I hope you're liking this episode so far. If you do, don't forget to hit the like button. And then comment and share. I want to hear more about how you use your skincare, how you protect your skin. How old are you, if you don't mind? Otherwise, I'm 63 years old, so I feel like I'm your mama. Mama, showing you what not to do, what to do, what you can do, what you can try to do, what you can aim to do, but because they've worked for me. And remember to wash your face correctly. Dr. Anil Rajani, dermatologist, actually mentioned that in one of his videos that is the best way to wash your face. And he even used the words open pores and close pores. Here's how it's done. Wash your face with warm water. Warm because warm water opens the pores. There you go. We're using that word because it helps you imagine. I know people are going to say pores don't open, pores don't close. But remember, Dr. Anil Rajani used those terms because it helps us visualize. They're like more absorbing whatever is on there, right? Wash it with as warm as you can so that you remove all the oil. Because when you're like washing your pots and pans, isn't it always better to wash and rinse them with hot water so that the oil goes away? That's the principle of it, right? So not hot water, but warm water on your face until you feel that, okay, everything's gone. And then you use your cleansing agent. I use Avene, or I also use my favorite is my Japanese soap, sake less soap, and I use that on my face. Your soap should be clear and has no fragrance. And then I wash it well, and then I rinse it with warm so that my pores are still open because I'm still removing the dirt, right, with the soap. And then once I've rinsed it thoroughly, then I rinse it with very cold water, almost like shocking my skin. This was my viral video, by the way. I know that there were so many ladies who said, oh my gosh, no, it's gonna cause your veins or your capillaries to show up or things like that. So do it slowly. Don't do it right away. It worked for me. And I don't know how my veins, I'm fine, right? So I'm your guinea pig. And so it worked for me, but do it slowly because yes, you don't want to shock your face, but that's exactly what I did. I would shock my face so that the pores close right away. You don't have to. Do it slowly, lukewarm with cold until the final one is really, really cold. And once a month, get just 1 ice cube and then wash it a little bit so that it's not the entire cube because it might stick on your skin. When your skin is very clean, no moisturizer and all, just fresh from the washing, melt that ice cube so that it's liquidy, it's not sticky, and then run that on your face so that you're feeling the tightness, right? Run it on your face. The ice rub. Ice rub once a month. And you will notice how amazing your skin feels and how I would say it would preserve whatever quality your skin has through the years. And that's why I'm sharing it with you. I hope it works for you, right? So you take care of yourself. I'm not a doctor, I'm not a dermatologist, so always ask your doctor. If you're in doubt, ask. Don't just believe. Whether it's me, whether it's someone else talking to you, if you're in doubt, that's a flag. That's a red flag, meaning to say, ask around and get a second opinion. Don't forget to follow me on my platforms. I have my Instagram, @TheRealD, my TikTok, @TheRealD. Take care of yourself, love yourself, and make sure that you always give time for yourself. Whether it's a mental health break, whether it's a walk in the park, whether it's sleep, whether it's just staying calm and relaxing and meditating. These all will pay off in the end. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.